Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video we will be unboxing the MNV Solutions HD web camera. On the front of the box we have an illustration of the webcam. On top of the image we have the resolution, which is 720p, and on the bottom of the image we have the compatibility options. It is compatible with Windows version 10, 8, 7, XP and also with Mac OS 10. On the left hand side, on the right hand side and on the bottom we simply have some web camera HD 720p branding. On the top we have a few of the salient features, which include a wide angle lens, built-in microphone, 720p HD recording, auto white balance. It can be used for video chatting and conference calling. On the back of the box we have some of the technical specifications. We have already gone through the resolution, but one thing to note is that it has a 720p resolution in both video calling and video recording modes. It has a built-in isolating microphone as well. It can do automatic low light corrections. It has plug and play functionality thanks to USB 2.0, and it has a tripod ready universal clip that fits laptops and LCD monitors. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside we get some literature in the form of a user manual. This will help you set up the webcam and understand its various functions and features. We recommend that you read through this thoroughly before you start using the device. We also have a card on which we have a number that you can use to reach the customer care. Lastly, we come to the product itself. As we can see, it has a black color theme going for it, and there are some orange highlights on the front. Also on the front, as you might expect, is the lens, and we have a little slit on the side that we suspect is for the microphone. On the back side we have the hinge mechanism, and it is quite adjustable, and this will help you adjust the shot and frame the shot well. The mounting mechanism is of the hinge type, and it opens up like this. On the inside surface of the hinge we have some soft material that will protect the gadget that you are going to mount this webcam on from some scratches. Coming now to the cable, we have measured it out to be approximately 40 inches long. On the end of the cable we have a USB type A interface and a 3.5 mm TRS audio jack. The USB type A interface is for the video signal, and the 3.5 mm audio jack is for the audio signal. So let's set this webcam up on a laptop and see how it goes. This webcam comes with plug and play functionality, which means that the drivers that would be needed for this webcam to function will be detected and installed automatically. All we need to do to get started is connect the USB into its appropriate receptacle and the audio jack into its appropriate receptacle. You will be notified when the drivers have been installed, and until then we can set up the camera on the flap of the laptop. All we need to do is use this lip and stick it onto the flap of the laptop and shut the hinge behind it. Once it cannot close anymore, that's when you know that it has been secured properly. So this was the unboxing of the MNV Solutions HD web camera. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.